Morning, everybody. It's 8:37 on Tuesday the 4th, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1090 for Tuesday morning. And I remind everyone we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, cost nothing, and use that notification bell. Okay, Asia and Europe are both higher this morning, and so are we. At 8 o'clock, the Dow was up 100. It's currently up 140. NASDAQ was up 20, is still up around 20, and the S&P was up 11, now up 14. So looking higher. Also looking higher, we hit 1 million COVID cases, new cases yesterday, and the 7-day average is 500,000. These are massive numbers, and while people are not dying in droves like they did with Delta or the original COVID, this does put a huge tax on the system. I mean, pediatric beds in ICUs, regular ICUs, all of this is dramatically strained. So it's not just the airlines, but it's also the hospitals. Walmart is temporarily closing 60 stores for deep cleaning for COVID. So it's, people are taking the right steps, but the numbers are still explosive. Elizabeth Holmes found guilty on 4 of the 11 counts. Maximum time about 65 years. The jury was deadlocked on a bunch of things, and they're talking about relitigating that. Verizon and Telephone accepted a 2-week delay of the rollout for 5G. Again, the government sold them this spectrum. How did they not know? Ford is going to double its capacity for the F-150 electric, the Lightning. The stock is $22.18, up 41 cents, or 1.9%. Coke was upgraded at Guggenheim. It's up $0.50. And Honeywell was downgraded at Credit Suisse, neutral from outperform. The stock is 205, down 180. I'm a little surprised that defense stocks aren't a little stronger, seeing as the world is getting to be a very dangerous place. We have ISM Manufacturing and the Jolt, but they don't come out until 10 o'clock this morning. And a little one, IMX Biopharma. This company came public on December 16th, so not very long ago. They did 4.2 million shares at 5, which is where the stock opened, and then immediately sank to 367. It has a recent range of 285 to 631. Remember, it's only been since December 16th, but they did have news yesterday on an FDA designation for pediatric cancer therapy, and the stock yesterday closed 578, up 222, or 63%, and this morning is traded as high as 868. Last is 740, up $1.62, or another 27%. Chart on the screen is the net gas, which is continuing to climb back up. This is going to be a tough area to get through in the 407 area. We're currently 387, 388. So we'll have to see how that goes. We are in the UNG calls, and we are slightly profitable, about 25%. Gold is higher, silver is higher, copper is higher. No, copper actually is now down a penny, but the gold after yesterday's $28 down day is up 260, so that's really not what I'd call much. The corn is back up almost 6. Bitcoin and Ethereum up 1,070 and 151. That's a nice gain in the Ethereum on a percentage basis. And the dollar is up a little after yesterday's big move up on higher interest rates. Interest rates continue to rise with the Treasury bond down another full point. We're getting into an area here that we haven't been in quite some time. Let's take a look at it on the weekly. And as you can see, we're breaking below this. The bottom in here was 153.07. We're 156.30, so just about 157, but we are headed down. And as you can see by the open interest, there has been a lot of long liquidation. I would expect this actually to bounce in here. All right, everyone, have a good day. Be careful out there. It's tough. Keep position sizes appropriate, and don't forget to hit